When we think of the Amish, we always think of a natural lifestyle and health-conscious recipes passed down through generations. And today I'm going to share one of my absolute favorite recipes, the Amish-style honey lemon ginger infusion. Especially if you're feeling that annoying scratchy throat when the weather changes or that tickle in your throat at night, this is a safe, natural way to warm up and soothe it. Do you know any other natural recipes? Let me know in the comments below. To start, I've prepared about 400 grams of fresh lemons and 200 grams of mature ginger. For the ginger, I break it into smaller pieces so it's easier to clean. Then I rinse it thoroughly under running water to remove all the soil and grit on the surface. Then use a soft brush to gently scrub around the skin to reach all the small crevices and get rid of any remaining dirt. Do you usually use fresh ginger for tea, cooking, or honey infusions? Share your habits in the comments. I love reading your tips. Once soaked, just rinse with clean water and let it dry. Wearing gloves will help keep your hands from smelling like ginger or feeling irritated all day. The trick I use is using a spoon to scrape the skin. It's fast and clean without worrying about cutting into the flavorful flesh right under the peel. After scraping, I rinse it once more to remove any leftover bits, then use a towel to wipe the ginger completely dry before slicing it into thin pieces. You have to make sure it's completely dry. If any water is left, it can easily ferment and spoil quickly. Now, on to the lemons. In Amish culture, they make the most of natural ingredients from their garden. Lemon zest contains a lot of natural essential oils, so they usually keep the peel when infusing to enhance the flavor and aroma. I rub the lemons with a bit of baking soda to loosen up the dirt and wax on the skin. Then I soak them in water for about 15 minutes. After that, I scrub them again with coarse salt to draw out the bitter oils from the rind. Then quickly blanch them in boiling water for exactly 2 seconds to fully remove the waxy layer. Next, it needs to be wiped completely dry, as any remaining moisture can cause the jar to get moldy. Wipe it thoroughly before slicing thinly. This step decides whether your infusion will be delicious or not. Make sure to remove all the seeds, or the mixture will taste bitter. I've prepared a glass jar. Note, it must be wiped clean and completely dry, not a single drop of water, so the batch might spoil. Next, layer the lemon and ginger. Then slowly pour in raw honey until it covers the top. A key point in the traditional Amish method is their preference for cold infusion rather than cooking. The honey will slowly blend with the lemon and ginger, creating a delicious, rich mixture that preserves the natural flavors. With the leftover lemon and ginger that didn't fit in the jar yet, I like to mix them with honey outside first, then transfer them into the jar. This ensures every piece is coated in honey and won't mold. Just leave the jar at room temperature for 1 day to infuse, then move it to the fridge for another day, and it's ready to use. After 2 days of waiting patiently, here is the golden, nutritious result. Let's open it up and see. The honey has completely blended with the essence from the lemon and ginger, turning into a smooth, luscious syrup with a beautiful, deep amber color. To fully enjoy this syrup and get the best health benefits, here are 2 simple ways to use it. Method 1. When your throat feels dry or hoarse, I take a spoonful and swallow it slowly, then chew on the ginger slice soaked in honey for instant relief. Method 2. Take a bit of the lemon, ginger, and honey from the jar, mix it with warm water, about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, and you have a fragrant cup of tea. It makes you feel warm inside and soothes your throat. This is a drink I love on chilly days or whenever I want a relaxing warm beverage. And that's it. I've shared the simple, natural, and authentic lemon ginger honey tea recipe. Do you usually make lemon honey infusions at home, or do you have your own interesting secret? Please share in the comments so we can all learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel to keep up with more of the simple things we cherish every day. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all happiness, peace, and many warm moments with your family. See you in the next video.